gang, Yappy here, and appreciate you coming and checking out the video. Guess what? I wanted to share something with you that I've come across. I started using Acorn one-piece plastic and foundation and frame combos, and wow, check this out. We got girls already checking us out. But anyway, went with some Acorn frames. I got them from Scott Derrick out at Blythewood Bee Company, and he sent me some deep frames. I wanted to give them a try, see how they do. The ones that I got from him were double waxed. Now I did get white ones because his inventory was low, and I didn't have a problem with that because I'm not crazy on whether or not I can see eggs in it or not. So anyhow, that's just the deal with white. It's harder to see the eggs. But put these bees in here about roughly 4 weeks ago, and we put them in there, and there was probably about 4 frames total of bees. Put them on there, and just to give them a little something to start with, I gave them a pint of a sugar water 1-to-1 mix with some Bee Lively mixed in with that to help them take it, just to give them a little something to start drawing wax on. Well, I went through this a little bit ago, and I'm just blown away at what I'm seeing. So I wanted to share it with you, what I've got in here. Now it is May, around the 17th, and wanted to go through the box with you. Wanted to show you what these girls have done just in the last few weeks. It's going to blow your mind. So let's see what we got. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let me show you this frame. I have been through this box once today, and I just wanted to show you what's going on. Look at that. They've already got it capped up in here. That whole frame full of nectar is drawn out. Now this is the back side to the outside wall, and they're actually even working it and doing well. So there's my outside feed frame. That's number 1. Alright, I'm just making sure I ain't got a queen on here. There's frame number 2. And actually, I know it's going to be hard for you guys to see it, but all this in here is lined with brood. So, I'll let them fix that back. There was a hive beetle. But, yeah, I'm just amazed. I mean, every bit of that's filled out beautiful with brood. In fact, this little circle back here, let me make sure you can see that. Alright, that's all loaded up full of eggs. Now you see the yellow in there, they're putting a little pollen down in there for them. So that is amazing. Amazing. Oh wow. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I hope you can see this real good. Come on, ladies, give me some room. How about that frame? Is that not the prettiest thing in the world? Let's see what the other side looks like. How about that? And queen's already been back up through here and laying in these. Oh. So those holes right there, cells that you see up, and they've been hatched out once already, and she's come back in through there and laid once they get the wax finished out. But that is a beautiful frame. Look at that, honey's already capped. Oh wow. Alright, that's one that they're just working on. That was an outer frame that I had moved up earlier. Now look at this outer feed frame. Here's the inside of it. And let me see if I can adjust this right. Okay. I'm hoping you could see in that hole, but all that right there is just loaded down full of brood. So, I don't know if you see it. And I'm looking to the left of it, and there's a lot of eggs in there and just barely fresh hatched out larvae. So, very nice. Alright, so the one they're working, I'm going to put to the outside as the new feed frame. And let them draw that out. I'm going to keep my frames with the brood in the center. Alright, and this was the other feed frame. Now just to get them to work it, I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to put that side to the outside. Now go slow, easy when you set it back in. Readjust them so I get my bee space right. Good deal. Alright, hive tool. What'd I do with it? I guess we'll have to rewind the video so I can find my hive tool. Now this is going to be crazy right here. Check this out. This is frame number 2 from the outside. They're all over it, they're just not drawing wax yet. Same thing on here. Alright, this was an extra old frame that I had of the Purco. I'm going to say it's Purco, I can't guarantee it 100%. They've drawn that side out, but just hadn't done anything with this one yet. Checking to make sure my queen's not walking on the wall. Real slow. Real slow. Wiggle it a little bit to let them get out of the way. Good deal. There we go. That's what I want to see. Alright, we got lots of fresh laid eggs in this one. Same thing on that side, so working that frame perfect. Look at all the pollen they got put up on that one. That's beautiful. Found my hive tool. And there's the outer feed frame also. Alright. Since that one was an outer feed frame, I'm going to put it back on the outside. Now I want them to draw this one, so I'm going to put it back in here. I'll look around just to see where that queen was at. I hadn't seen her yet. She's hanging out. Taking a break from laying all them eggs, probably. Alright, we'll go back over this one. Alright gang, that's about it. Like I said, I just want to go over and show you what a couple of weeks in sugar water with some Bee Lively in it. That's all I've done. They've been handling everything else. We're right here towards the end of privet flow, but they've done great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back through, set the box back up here. I'm going to check through the top one more time, just look for that queen, just to say hello to her. And other than that, we're going to put it back together. So anyway, if you got any questions about your Acorn frames, then you want to know anything that I can help you out with, I just have started getting into them and checking them out. I really like them. I've got a bunch of them in my boxes, and they draw them out great, especially that double waxed. So far I haven't even had any kind of wonky comb where they've built it in between the frames. They literally will get right on top of it and do it, and that's what they should do. I mean, you could take you can wax some of your old Pureco stuff or anything type foundation, add more wax to it that's not a wax foundation, and they should do a good job too. But based on what I read on their website for Acorn and the way that they make these, I really like them. Just wanted to share it with you. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the videos, hey, take time, subscribe to my channel. I throw these things up there every once in a while, just share my bee stuff with you. So hope you enjoyed this one. We'll catch you later.